Hello, today we're going to have a look at what is gear effect and why is there gear effect. Now, this concerns each one of us because most of us when we hit shots, we actually don't hit shots right in the middle of the club face. You can see I've got a cross in the middle of my driver, and that right there is the bullseye. I want to hit the shot right in the middle of the club face to be most effective, but most of us, we don't hit it in the middle. A lot of us sometimes we miss it in various quadrants, as you can see over here, and we hit it all over the club face, and that causes gear effect. And gear effect affects both the direction as well as the distance of the golf ball depending on where you hit it, and we'll discuss that as we go on. But why is there gear effect? Remember that you're actually hitting the ball of the club face, and the club face is not flat, it's not straight. This club face is curved like that and is curved like that. So it's not a straight club face. Just to illustrate, if you simply take this book, this is a flat book, and if I just curve it that way as well as that way, so you'll notice that on a vertical basis it is curved like this, which is like there, and on a horizontal basis it's curved like this, which is like that. So on a horizontal basis, this is pointing right, this is pointing straight, and that's pointing left. On a vertical basis, if you're hitting a 10.5 degree driver, that's 10.5, that's 15 degrees, and that's probably only 5 degrees there. So that's one of the main reasons why there is gear effect. The other reason you have gear effect is that you're hitting the ball off the club face, but the center of gravity of this club is somewhere back here. It's pretty far away from the club face. So the distance from the face to the center of gravity is far, and that causes gear effect. Imagine two gears in machines, or they used to be in earlier time watches, they used to have two gears working together, and that's exactly what gear effect is. Last part I want to say here is that your driver, your 3-wood and your hybrid have far more gear effect than your irons, because the iron is a straight club face and the center of gravity is not very far back in the iron. Sometimes the driver has 10 times more gear effect than what the iron has.